So Microsoft filed a interesting patent. This is for game controllers for foldable phones and tablets. So it kind of reminds me of the Nintendo Switch if you look at it in this image right here, where when the tablet, obviously this is a tablet, not a foldable phone, but when a tablet's in full tablet form, it has controllers on each side. So it kind of reminds me of a Nintendo Switch. But this is what it looks like with a foldable phone on either side with the controllers. I didn't think they were actually going to file this, to be honest, because this is like an idea that has been out there for a very long time. Many companies have done, foldable, well, not foldable, but have done controllers for cell phones, tablets. I'm pretty sure they have done some for foldable phones at this point. So I'm surprised that Microsoft is patenting this, other than the fact of they're patenting the concept of what these controllers look like. So if you look on the market, you will not find these said controllers the way they are. So I'm guessing they're not patenting the concept of using this on a foldable phone or tablet. They're patenting this type of designed controller, which looks exactly like a Nintendo Switch. I mean, that's really what my Nintendo looks like. If you look at Nintendo's variant versus this variant with the Joy-Cons, they're very similar to what the Joy-Cons look like. You have a left analog stick at the top, right analog stick on the bottom of the other one. They're flipped vice versa. You have a D-pad, you have, buttons layout. So, very interesting. I guess it was just oddly differently enough that Microsoft would not get in trouble for the concept of filing this patent, but okay. Not sure what Microsoft's going to do with this. We already know that with their whole motto moving forward, it's always Xbox everywhere, meaning you could play your Xbox on any screen is an Xbox. It's like their motto. So maybe that's what they're kind of going for here, with foldable phones becoming more relevant and popular. They're trying to kind of get on that trend as well. I'll be honest with you, there's a lot of great controllers for cell phones, tablets, and foldable phones out there. If this is what it looks like in the end, the design, I would not buy this. I would not get this. It looks like it's very, very small and it would be weird to use. But hey, maybe someone out there would. So, concepts out there and Microsoft trying to get involved back into the foldable phone industry in some capacity. So, shout out to Microsoft for that, because this is definitely an interesting, not Joy-Con video.